this used to be a children's playing ground. You can see some of the pieces of concrete which have been removed here. All this has been the work of the grabber. This land was grabbed by officials working in the city council, supposedly sold, and that sale was cancelled. So this land since then reverted back to public ownership. But then there's someone else who keep on putting up the walls around this plot so that it is now inaccessible to children in this Nairobi West area. So our instructions here to the city council that these walls must be brought down immediately and that this place be repaired and brought back to a proper state so that children can use it as a playground with immediate effect. Similarly, there's another ground in South Sea near the mosque that again was grabbed in a similar way. Again, we've been through a similar process there up to now. Now we ask the city council equally to go move there with speed, clear that place, and also make it available for public use, which it was intended.
Wacha niweke mkazo kwa vile tunavyotumia barabara. Can you be mindful as a driver of the lives in your car? Can you be mindful of other road users, be they human beings or animals? And more particularly, be mindful on the children. Otherwise, we will be doing all these roads. They look beautiful, and they become killing fields.